Storm Claudia has now cleared away, but an Arctic blast will bring sub-zero temperatures as low as -11 degrees this week. So many people this weekend are saying, oh, it's cold. It's set to get even colder. Well, what I will say is the welcome news in Wales, there is no more heavy rain for them. They've just got a few flood alerts in force. They had severe flood warnings in force, obviously, over the weekend. Here is what is happening, how cold it's going to get, and who is set to see snow. That's the most important thing for most people. So we have this northerly feed of air. Air is now coming from the Arctic. Storm Claudia is now cleared away into the near continent, and we allow the floodgates open for these tumbling temperatures. Over the weekend, we got to -7 degrees. That is the coldest we've seen in the UK since March, and it's set to get even colder this week. So here's how it looks for today. No snow for the majority of us. Snow showers across the north and east. As we head through to tomorrow into Wednesday, we see more snow piling in across Scotland and northern England, but elsewhere, snow is pretty unlikely. It is come the middle of the week that we have this northerly feed. So all of these coastal areas, that's where the most frequent snow showers are set to be, but it will be cold enough even as far south as southern England for the odd flake of snow in the air. And then it's all changed by the end of the week as wet and windy weather moves in from the west with snow on the leading edge. But I think the other talking point, like we've said, bitterly cold as low as -11 later this week. Thank you, Andy. Well, there are 38 days until Christmas. I'm not sure you need to know that, but the weather may feel a little Christmassy over the next few days because it is turning a lot colder. It's been chilly this weekend. It is set to turn even colder this week. An Arctic blast of air spreads right across the country, bringing tumbling temperatures, widespread frost, and the chance of some snow. This is where we're most likely to see snowfall today, really just across the far north and east. Tomorrow, though, it turns more widespread and heavier into northern areas of England as well. So that is definitely one to watch. No warnings in force at the moment, but there will be later this week. But for today, we have cold and plenty of sunshine. It means that clear skies overnight, temperatures widely below freezing from the Midlands northwards, as low as -6 degrees across Scotland. And over the weekend, it was -7, the coldest we've seen since the 20th of March earlier this year, but colder this week. But here's how it looks today. Just a few rain showers across the east, some snow showers across the north. Temperatures 4 to 8 degrees, but when you add in the wind chill, it will feel sub-zero in the north. And as I mentioned, turning even colder. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook, where our weekend is always in view. And the theme is cold, bitingly cold. You'll need those extra layers, scarves, gloves and hats all week long. It has been so mild so far this autumn, and that is changing this week. Temperatures should be around about here, and they are way below average by day and with widespread nighttime frost. Percentage chance of rainfall is low for today with that beautiful autumn sunshine, but it's tomorrow onwards where every single day there's a chance of seeing widespread snow in the north and snow showers elsewhere before it turns wetter and milder into the weekend. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be for the time of year, and we are way below a real shock to the system. Definitely need those extra layers. Hit and miss chance of snowfall. Today is largely dry. Tomorrow is mostly rain, but it is Wednesday and Thursday even seems to lead to snow showers further south, then wetter and milder by the weekend.